This was asked to me by a friend. He's been flirting with a Brazilian woman since last year. She wants him to get her a plane ticket to come and see him. He claims she is a model and a dancer, not a club stripper, and has a 3-year-old son. I'm a pretty red pill, so I keep an eye out for red flags and cues. He wants to know how he can tell if this person is worth the cash and time it takes to come to the US. He wants to ensure that he is not being duped. It makes no difference why Western countries bring in foreign women for hookups, marriage, and companionship. Guys who believe that bringing in a foreign woman will give them an advantage are mistaken. I'm not being sarcastic. I'm bringing up facts. Some consider facts to be hate speech, but they are not. Those who don't like it should take a break and walk away. So she wants a plane ticket to go see him. She is a single mother with a 3-year-old son. Keep in mind that you're speaking with a single Brazilian parent. She may have difficulties understanding communication. Importing a foreign woman for romantic reasons becomes a risk. If she works, you will have 2 liabilities, the child being the second one. She won't have many skills. Why be so quick to say that she's not a stripper? I'm assuming he has doubts about his intuition. I'm not familiar with her. She's a single parent, she's foreign, she won't contribute much, and you'll be supporting her and her child. Her parents, siblings, and cousins may even move in with you. You end up supporting them by transferring funds back to their families for purposes such as surgery, debt repayment, or house repairs. There are so many difficulties. That's blue pill beta mindset, not red pill thinking. These would be visible to anyone. You're concerned about being taken advantage of or losing money. That's what your intuition is saying. Pay close attention. What if she was a Dubai oil girl with a stash of cash in a vault? You would require a dowry. I'm not sure if you've met her or if you're just looking at pictures or having conversations with her through Skype, but you're talking about an attractive woman with baggage and responsibilities which could pose a higher risk later on. All foreign ladies who come to the West are westernized. It happens gradually. They will adopt Western values within a year or two. Because all women are hypergamous by nature, she'll probably also be hypergamous. You'll bring in a lady who is interested in you because of what you have to offer. She may be able to leave once she obtains permanent residence and a green card. You'll be taking huge risks for small rewards. I watched a Netflix documentary about elderly British men importing Filipino women. They followed the importing story and concluded that the juice was not worth the squeeze. Not what they were expecting. The women weren't as attractive as expected, and they had to pay back the money before the move. Maybe she's sending you dirty photos or promising to do exciting things. The deal will then morph into demands, such as, I have to bring my son over because my mom has been looking after him, and I can't expect her to do it. Or, I can't relocate my mom to look over after the child, and so on. Both success and failure leave traces. Listen to people who have had similar stories importing women for romantic reasons in the past. It made no sense to me. If you want to have a good time, stay in Brazil for a month or 2 to get a feel for the women and the culture before leaving. It makes no sense to date a woman from another country. You are not red-pilled, single mothers. It's not a derogative remark, and I'm not trying to come across as a jerk. I'm simply stating facts. That is not a conversation I believe a red pill believer would have. It's all about love. Hopefully, you understand.